Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with an unboxing for Beebeecraft. As you will probably remember, I am a collaborator with them for their YouTube program, and as part of the YouTube program, they allow me to select a number of products from their website, and in exchange for that, I need to do an unboxing and a couple of project videos. So let me tell you a little bit about the program in case you're interested. You need to be a YouTube channel that produces crafty videos and have at least 100 subscribers. If you qualify, you can click on the link in the description box below, hop right onto their website and fill out their application. As I said, if you're accepted, they will give you a budgeted amount to use to purchase product, free of charge and free of shipping. It takes about a week and a half to 2 weeks for the products to arrive. Once you get them, you need to do an unboxing video as well as 2 to 3 more project videos. And after you make your projects, you get to keep everything that's left over to do with whatever you want. So yeah, these are the products I picked out this time. I'm super excited about these beautiful pink things. It's perfect for our Valentine crafting right now. And with that, let me get right into these products. Oh, one more thing. Before I do that, you will also receive, if you're accepted to their program, a discount code that you can pass out to all your crafty friends and family, which will give them 10% off of their purchase if they decide to make a purchase. And my code is Enis10. It is good until November 29, 2025. So it's good for a very, very long time. Be sure to click on the links in the description box below so that, number one, I get credit for you shopping there, and number two, so you can get my discount. So with that, let's get into these products. So the very first one I'm going to talk about is this little set right here. This is by Arricraft, and they're calling it the Valentine Jewelry Making Set. At the time I picked this up, it was $7.19. It came in this nice plastic case with all of these beads. These are 8mm beads. I'm going to give you a close-up. They are red, pink, and off-white, and they are crackle beads, so you'll see they've got some modeling on them. All 3 colors do, although it's most prominent on the lightest one. And as part of this package, not only do you get these beads, you get a number of charms. Let me grab something to put the charms in. You get 8 charms, 2 of each. So we have this beautiful rose. We've got the ribbon there, these luscious lips, and some pink hearts. So those are great for your crafting. You also get a pack of earring wires and jump rings, and a package of chain and eye pins. So you've got everything you need. Oh wait, you also, almost forgot about this, you also get this spool of crystal string, which is the stretchy string. So you're all set to make your bracelets and necklaces. Look at how gorgeous this whole little kit is. And all this for $7.19. So that is that one. Then I also picked up this gorgeous die set. This is by BENECREAT, and it is they're calling it the 3-piece 3D French fry box. And they say 3-piece because it's in 3 sections, but really you've got a ton of dies here. You've got the front, you've got the back, you've got layering pieces, you've got labels here, you've got these gorgeous trim pieces that go on up here and here. And the back of this box is, let's see, about 4 1/4 inches from the top to the bottom. So it's a good size box. And side to side, a little over 3. Well, if you do it from the top, it's 3 1/2. And the sides are 1 1/8 deep. So it's a good size fry box, perfect for adding goodies for your swaps and your crafting needs. And I have got to get this cat out of here. Oh, Kiki, you are something else. So So anyway, this die set was $4.63 at the time that I picked it up. And I will have a link in the description box below with all the information you need if you're interested in picking that up. And the next item I have, I think I'll show you these. These are by Honeyhandy, and they're calling them the Alloy Rhinestone Magnetic Clasps in silver. You get 5 in a pack, and they were $2.37. And let me give you a close-up. Look at how beautiful that clasp is with the rhinestones on it. And it does come apart. Perfect for your bracelets and your necklaces. It's got a really, really strong magnet on it. And what I plan to do with this is I'm going to be making some more jewelry. And if you'll remember this bracelet I made a couple of weeks ago, I didn't have the right kind of clasp, so I just used lobster claw clasp. But wouldn't this have been pretty with that? I think it would have been gorgeous on this bracelet. So anyway, let me see. Yeah, $2.37, and I do have the code for that is right here. So it will be in the description box below as a link, but if you're interested, there is the info on there as well. And then I have this gorgeous set of 8mm beads. These are by Panda Hall Elite, and there are 15 different styles of glass beads in here. Nice weight to them. There's all kinds. We've got pearlized and plain. We've got pearls. We've got these, I don't know if you want to call these jelly-like beads. They are glass, but they have that jelly-like look to them. You get some mottled pink beads here. You've got clear beads, crackle beads, just a gorgeous set. And there are 450 beads in here. At the time I picked this up, this was $5.71. And like I said, it's the 8mm pink bead set. So that is gorgeous. And the last item I picked up is this set of safety pins. These are by SUNNYCLUE. So this was the packaging that came on the box. And there are 4 styles. They're calling it the Iron Safety Brooch Kilt Pins in Platinum. So you get 1 loop there. We got 3 loops. We have 5 loops. And then the big daddy one has no loops. You get 6 of each one, so you get 24 altogether. At the time I picked these up, they were $4.67. And these will be great for adding charms, adding strings of beads on there, adding them to your projects. If you have a kilt, which I do not, this would be a great pin for that. I mean, I could even see adding like little flags hanging off of there. You know how we do the banner flags? These would be great for that. And then adding them to your projects. So anyway, those are the goodies that I got this time from Panda Hall. I will have links to everything in the description box below, as well as to their website and their YouTube program. And hold on while I get Kiki out of the way. Come on, Kiki, move it. Scoot, scoot. Oh, he's so funny. He's like stretching across the screen. Keep an eye out for future projects that I'm going to be doing with these beautiful goodies here. Don't forget about my coupon code Enis10 for 10% off your entire order. And yeah, happy shopping and happy crafting, and have an awesome day. And I will catch you on the next one. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.